Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, in my last video, I pointed out how you could kind of check what's in your Elrond account on the blockchain by using the wallet address, which you can get from the Maiar app on your phone. That's the address that if you were going to deposit into your Maiar app, you would use. It begins with ERD something. And then you basically plug that into explorer.elrond.com and it comes up with these numbers. There was a comment today, someone saying, have you got 1,388 LP tokens? That would be amazing if I had, but I don't think I have actually. On my last count I had, I think it was 109 or something. Anyway, so the question is, when you come to ESD tokens, what actually are these? I think this is the amount of MEX. I mean, I did all these up, and it comes to, what's that? 137,581,087. If that is MEX, that might make sense, because at my last count, when everyone was disputing the figures that I was earning when the DEX was working properly, my total amount of MEX was in fact 90,541,820 MEX. This has gone up quite a bit. So I think that's what this figure is. I think that is the MEX. I guess it is, because if you think about it, all I really have is EGLD, MEX farms, and a MEX farm. So I think that's what it is. If anyone knows anything different, please do tell me, because I might not have that right. Now, I do hope you are following me on Twitter. If you're not, it's just Save with Crypto, all one word, and you'll find me. It'd be really cool if you can follow me. I've got 229 followers so far. Bearing in mind I've got like nearly 3,000 subscribers on YouTube. It'd be good if some of you subscribers also followed me on Twitter. It's not actually my favourite place, to be honest, but it's kind of good if I put a video out. I can't always rely on YouTube sending out the notifications properly. I'll make a point of tweeting if I do a new video as well. Now, I did retweet this tweet from Benjamin Minku yesterday. This was from last night. He said, the Maiar Dex is now ready. Final testing scenario is being concluded as we speak. Tomorrow noon UTC, a staggered launch will begin. Huge thanks for all your support. Super close. Okay, this is great news. At the moment, it's about 10 a.m. here in France, so I think that's 9 a.m. UTC. So in 3 hours' time, I think it should start to roll out. I'm kind of guessing they'll probably do Romania first, and then kind of hopefully work across Europe. And I think I'm only 2 countries away, maybe 3. But hopefully I'll get to play with it this afternoon, and I absolutely can't wait. I'm really excited. It's going to be a joyous occasion to click that harvest button. I mean, I do find it amazing the people who can't even read a tweet. There's someone trying it here, and it's not ready yet, so just wait. So I wonder how this is going to affect the actual price of MEX. I mean, it's been obviously flat for a few days because no one can do anything with it. I mean, overall it's probably up a little bit, but it's going to be interesting to see what it does. Meanwhile, I noticed that EGLD is kind of in this symmetrical triangle here. I don't always put lots of weight in triangles and stuff like that. I'd like to sort of trade level to level, really. But this to me looks like it's going to do something. I mean, with a symmetrical triangle, I think the probability is it follows the trend, so it might go down. In which case, we might get that kind of 240 or so, where we could pick up some more cheap EGLD if you need it. But I suppose all the eyes are on Bitcoin at the moment, because it's it's going to do something very soon. I don't know what. It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. But at the moment, it's just going sideways. But I think it's all ready for a break, to be honest. I think we're going to have a December a bit like last December, and everything's going to go nuts. But we'll see. Whatever. Anyway, meanwhile, I kind of like it, because if you're farming, you're just making more tokens anyway. So I don't really care about the price because I know the price is going to go up in the long run. So that's all good, really. Okay, so not a lot else I can say right now. I will do another video later on when the DEX is live, and I'm confident, I'm 100% confident it's going to be live sometime today. It might not be at noon UTC for me, it might be a little bit later in the afternoon, might even be tonight, but whatever. I will do another video and I'll show you what's new, what's working, what isn't, and we'll give it a good old test and see what happens. So looking forward to it, really am. Hey, tell you what, I did notice, for anybody who can't be asked with all this farming malarkey and stuff, the actual staking on the Maiar app is looking quite attractive at the moment. I mean, I normally just go in the app and I search for like active and then highest APR. And until recently, all these ones have been kind of like, 12%, 13%, that kind of thing. And then the actual available that you can put in there has been like, 0.2 EGLD or something. But I mean, today, you've got Galaxy staking 14.46 APR, and they've got 1.24 EGLD available there. And you've got like Stake Camp with 5,000 EGLD space in there at 14.42. I've got a chunk in RAF staking, 14.37. I mean, that was cool because that was only like 13 the other day. So I think what's happening here is a lot of people are unstaking, well, as I'm doing, so they can put the stuff in the farm. But meanwhile, if you just want to stake in the Maiar app, this is all looking quite attractive now. I mean, it always was attractive anyway, but yeah, just something worth bearing in mind, really. If you don't want to do the farming and you don't want to have locked MEX and you just want to, increase the amount of EGLD you've got. I'm actually doing that with half of my EGLD, so, just in case something goes terribly wrong with the DEX, but I don't think it will. And I suppose if I have some sort of emergency in the next year or so where I need to get my hands on a big chunk of money, then, I've got the EGLD in the Maiar app that I could turn into money, turn into fiat, if I needed it for some reason. So yeah, okay, I'll see you later then. So if you've enjoyed the video, press like. If you didn't like it, press dislike, and just to make sure, press it twice. Otherwise, please do make sure you're subscribed. Do tick the notifications bell. Follow me on Twitter as well, Save with Crypto. And above all, tell your friends.